Shifter attention now. It appears that Operation Sindoor has shaken the former Pakistani Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto enough to trigger a dramatic shift in his stance. From once declaring that either our water will flow or their blood will flow, he now seems to have significantly walked back his aggressive rhetoric. In an interview, Bilawal Bhutto has stated, and I quote, that his country had no objection to extraditing individuals of concern to India. This was his response when asked about Lashkar-e-Toiba chief Hafiz Saeed and Jaish-e-Mohammed founder Masood Azhar. Interestingly, after that statement was made, we are breaking updates coming in. Hafiz Saeed's son, Talha Saeed, has hit out at Bilawal Bhutto for his remarks and has said that he should not have talked about the extradition. Talha Saeed has called Bilawal's statement against the state policy, national interest and sovereignty. Talha also defended his father and said that none of the actions of Hafiz Saeed were against Pakistan. Listen in. Well, it did, of course, seem like Bilawal Bhutto's statement needs to be taken with a pinch or perhaps a tank of salt, because the statement that he made was clearly not in line with what Pakistan actually wants. So what had he actually said? He claimed that Pakistan is open to extraditing individuals of concern to India. And he was asked about Hafiz Saeed and Masood Azhar, and he seemed to be suggesting, and he said it in as many words, that Pakistan is open to handing over Hafiz Saeed and Masood Azhar. This was the statement that was made by Bilawal Bhutto. Now, was it made because he was not aware of what else to say? Was it to cover up for what he has said previously? Because remember, he has been criticized. He was a part of the delegation of Pakistan that went around the world trying to paint a picture that Pakistan is a victim of terror. So is that statement a clear indication that he was trying to do some damage control? He went on to say that there is no cooperation from India on the conviction process, and that Pakistan was ready to extradite as a goodwill gesture to India, and that India should cooperate with Pakistan in the entire process. Bilawal Bhutto, in fact, went on to say that this move could be a part of a comprehensive dialogue, and that Pakistan would not be opposed to any of those things, that Pakistan would not be opposed to extraditing them. This came as a complete shocker, no doubt, and now he's being called out within Pakistan. My colleague Rishabh continues to stay live with us. And Rishabh, the statement of Bilawal Bhutto was to be taken, of course, with a pinch of salt, and very clearly he's being slammed in Pakistan. The terrorist son coming on record to say that this is not Pakistan's official word on the extradition.
Government in the country that you cannot talk about extradition, you cannot talk about anything to an Indian journalist. The international channel, the interview in which Bilawal Bhutto, the former foreign minister of Pakistan, former son of former prime minister of the country, son of the current president of the country, when he says that Pakistan won't have much issues in extraditing people of concern, be it Hafiz Saeed or Maulana Masood Azhar, likes of Talha Saeed come to the media and suggest that Bilawal Bhutto cannot say that. That showcases that whole narrative that Pakistan has built, that these are non-state actors, is just farce. They're actually the main state actors in Pakistan, and that's the reason that this this very episode is coming to light, where the former foreign minister says something and no one else but terrorist, the one UN designated terrorist son, comes out in public and calls him out, saying that this is not terrorist son. Comes out in public and calls him out, saying that this is not Pakistan's version. Then what is Pakistan's version? Pakistan's official version, is it to safeguard the interest of all these UN designated terrorists? 27 of them are in Pakistan right now.
And it didn't even take a few hours for Pakistan to expose itself, isn't it, after making these big claims? Rishabh, do stay with us. We are breaking updates now coming in. Imran Khan's PTI is accusing Bilawal Bhutto of being a childish fool. That's the attack that has come in. Bilawal stated that Pakistan would not oppose the extradition request, but added that the country would protect individuals like Hafiz Saeed and Masood Azhar despite their links to terrorism. And these remarks have caused panic. Now, PTI calling him a childish fool. Major General Shashi Asthana, defense expert, on the broadcast with us. And Major General, how do you look at what's happening in Pakistan? Bilawal Bhutto making that claim, not that anybody was ready to believe Pakistan on that, but he's being called out by a terrorist son who is coming out to say that's not the official position of Pakistan. We'll go back to him in just a moment, but let's give you a quick look at what has happened until now. It all started with Bilawal Bhutto when he made that claim that many refuse to believe. Now, he claimed that Pakistan was ready to extradite Hafiz Saeed, and he claimed that Masood Azhar as well, Pakistan would not oppose any extradition. And after that claim was made, now within Pakistan there are voices that are calling him out, saying this is not the official stance of the country. This is not Pakistan's official stand, and we are not going to do so. So look at how Pakistan has come out so quickly, and this is cutting across party lines within Pakistan, coming out to defend the terrorists, saying there is no question of extraditing them. And remember, very clearly, India has made its stance very clear on that. Remember, previously, Rajnath Singh, just a month ago, had spoken about whether we will have talks with Pakistan or not. About INS Vikrant off the Goa coast, he made it clear. If Pakistan is truly serious about engaging in dialogue with India, the first step should be handing over Lashkar-e-Taiba chief Hafiz Saeed and the Jaish-e-Mohammed founder Masood Azhar.
पाकिस्तान के हक में यही बात होगी कि वह अपनी जमीन पर चल रही आतंकवाद की नर्सरी को अपने हाथों से उखाड़ देंगे। इसकी शुरुआत उसे हाफिज सईद और मसूद अजहर जैसे आतंकवादियों को भारत के हाथों में सौंपने से करनी चाहिए। यह दोनों न केवल भारत में मोस्ट वांटेड टेररिस्ट की सूची में हैं, बल्कि ये यूनाइटेड नेशंस की डेजिग्नेटेड टेररिस्ट की लिस्ट में भी शामिल हैं। हाफिज सईद मुंबई हमलों का गुनाहगार है, कौन नहीं सच्चाई को जानता है।
So Pakistan knows it, and India has made it loud and clear, and yet no lessons are learnt. Well, with that, it's time for us to slip into a very quick break here. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with lots more on the other side.